Before we begin, we'd like to acknowledge, of course, we have a guest school. We're just from here to observe. Sasali sila?
Welcome to Digital.
There's a second season, sasali sila. Okay, so let's talk about this. Bakit mo tense yan, mga players natin?
Smile naman siya.
Smile naman. Relax. It will help you think clearly. Oh, just happen. Okay, let's start with our first quiz. It's called Password.
And you know how this game works, players. It's just you and yourself against the clock. No joysticks yet.
That's right. Your mission, identify a mystery object within a series of 5 clues within 30 seconds. If you get it on the first clue, I'll give you 50 points. If you get it on the last, may 10 points pa rin kayo.
And a couple of quick reminders after a clue is ready. You must either give an answer right away or say pass and we can move on to the next clue. And of course, the players drew lots to determine who gets which password.
That's right. And we'll talk about the theme. We have, well, it's a timely one, kinds of environmental disasters. Those unwanted occurrences that wreak havoc on the world around us. Okay?
Environmental disaster.
Yes. Okay, here we go. We'll start out with Ron. Are you ready? Timer starts after I read the first clue. It can lead to altered climate zones around the world. It can cause a partial melting of the polar caps and dangerous sea levels. Excellent. Global warming.
40 points for you, Ron.
And for the benefit of our audience, the other clues are its chief culprit are high levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Next one, it is mainly caused by the greenhouse effect. And finally, it is characterized by rising world temperatures. The answer is global warming. Excellent, Ron.
And this is for you, ER. Listen up. Its first preventive measure is known as fuel cladding. Its most serious occurrence instantly killed 31 persons in 1986.
Huh?
Nuclear
Nuclear what?
It can cause a radioactive fallout. Its worst example happened in Ukraine.
We're looking for another term. Go ahead.
Another term. It is caused. Time is up. The last clue. It is caused by a malfunctioning nuclear reactor. All right. We're looking for nuclear disaster or nuclear meltdown. So more specific.
Spill was pretty close. Okay, Kathy, are you ready? Don't worry, ER. It's just the first quiz. Okay, here we go. Every year, about 10,000 of it accidentally happen around the world, although most are relatively minor.
Forest fires.
Its largest recorded occurrence was in 1979 in the Gulf of Mexico. Land and sea creatures.
Waste spills.
Its worst cases involve oil tankers.
Oil spill.
Oil spill, very good.
Very good. 20 points for you, Kathy.
And the last clue, products. Oil spill. Good job, Kathy. Check the scoreboard.
And this is for you, John Eric. Listen. The water table under it must be at least 6 feet deep and it must not be subject to flooding. When properly controlled, it is a good way of disposing solid waste. Its tallest kind is in Germany at 130 feet. Outside. In case of an avalanche, it can kill people. Payatas is an example of it. Again, the water table under it must be at least 6 feet.
Your other answer was pretty close, dump site, but we're looking for dump site mountain because we're looking for the disaster.
More specific, it could be garbage mountain, or dump site mountain, or landfill mountain.
But don't worry, John Eric.
This is just the first quiz.
It is just the first quiz, don't worry. So you have to smile pa rin. Smile pa rin. We have so many more quizzes to go. Let's update the scores.
140 points for Paderas Catholic School. Ron.
From the Pasay Academy of Media, 100 points for ER.
And 120 points for St. Paul College for Kathy.
All right. Fantastic Jack Harris from the Louise Middle School. 100 points. constellation.
Sabi mo eh.
The constellation of that clock. And four Pokemon players gets to that destination at the end of 5 quizzes. Okay, so that's one down. 2 more to go. We'll be back. We'll have picture pause on that only here on the Digital LG Quiz.